We are the team 2 from the group 406, and we are going to present our project of STEM. Our members are Fernando Nají, Alfredo Karim, Mateo G.U., Alberto Said, Eugenio Emiliano, and Claudia Jimena. The name of our project is Electroloop, and first we're going to have the action plan. Well, our action plan is that the team developed the electrode project with the purpose of reducing the accumulation of electronic waste within the school community and raising awareness about the environmental consequences it generates. Through this, ay, perdón. Ay. Ok, otra vez. We are the team 2 and we're going to present our STEM project. The members are Fernanda Ondají, Alfredo Karim, Mateo G.U., Alberto Said, Eugenio Emiliano, and Claudia Jimena. The name of our project is Electroloop, and first we're going to have our action plan. The team developed the Electroloop project with the purpose of reducing the accumulation of electronic waste within the school community and raising awareness about the environmental consequences it generates. Through this project, we seek to promote responsible habits related to the recycling and reuse of electronic devices, encouraging a culture of sustainability and circular economy. Our proposal also aims to inform students about the risk of improperly disposing of electronic devices, since they contain toxic materials such as lead and mercury that can contaminate soil, water, and air. In addition, we seek to encourage the active participation of the school community through collection campaigns and environmental education activities that can generate a positive long-term impact.
Proposed actions. Specialized containers. Install specialized containers in strategic areas of the school to collect electronic waste. Awareness campaigns. Carry out information and awareness campaigns to teach students about the importance of electronic recycling and the consequences of technological pollution. Collection campaigns. Organize collection and classification events for unused electronic devices, material classification and reuse. Some components may be reused or repurposed in upcycling activities, reducing the amount of waste generated. Surveys and statistical analysis. Conduct surveys and statistical analysis to measure the impact of the project.
Necessary resources, people, members of the electoral team, administrative and school support staff, participating students from the school community, material resources, recycled bins, promotional materials such as brushes, recycled materials and basic storing tools, financial resources, budget for printing information material, modification of purchase of containers, and transportation of waste to special recycle centers.
Okay. Key participant and roles. First of all, the students. They participate in campaigns, answer surveys, and promote the proper disposal of electronic waste. The electoral team coordinate activities, organize campaigns, and analyze the results obtained. The skill community collaborate by bringing unused electronic devices and participating in informal activities. And the recycling centers will receive and properly process the collected waste to prevent the environmental pollution. Now the monitoring indicators. The amount of electronic waste collected during the campaign, the number of students and teachers participating in the project, the survey resultants on knowledge of electronic recycling before and after implementation, the reduction in the accumulation of unused electronic devices in households, the increase in the school community's participation in environmental activities, and the level of outreach achieved through posters and informational campaign.
Our reflection. E-waste pollution is a global problem that is growing every year due to constant technological advancements and the rapid consumption of electronic devices. Many of these devices contain toxic substances that, when disposed of improperly, pollute the environment and pose a risk to human health. Furthermore, a large portion of the pollution is unaware of how to properly dispose of this waste, leading to devices being stored in homes or thrown into regular trash bins. This contributes to the accumulation of electronic waste and the waste of reusable materials. For this reason, projects like Electroloop are important, as they promote environmental education, social responsibility, and community participation. Implementing recycling and reuse initiatives helps reduce environmental impact, fosters use sustainable habits, and demonstrates that small actions within schools and generate positive changes in society and in caring for the planet.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the development and planning of the Electroloop project allowed us to better understand the seriousness of the electronic waste problem, a reality that often goes unnoticed in our daily lives. By researching and analyzing the situation, we realized that it's not enough to simply know that technological waste causes pollution. It is completely necessary to design and implement real and organized actions, starting within our own school environment at CIDEP. Through the proposed strategies such as the installation of specialized containers and awareness campaigns, our objective is not only to collect unused electronic devices, but also to create a long-term change in mindset within the student community. We want recycling and the reuse of components to become everyday habits for everyone, in order to protect the environment and society in general.